Hey guys, I am Jess the Glam Pixie. Welcome to my channel, or if you're new here, just go subscribe. Get it over with now, you're going to want to do it anyways. And be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. Also, go ahead and turn on the notifications, that way you know every time I upload a new video. I apologize if you hear my neighbor's dog in the background. She's very excited about something. So try to ignore that, I am sorry about that. This whole video is going to be how I attempted to Babylight my own hair. I used a whole different method this time. I tried to use foils. It may not have gone well. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wouldn't say it was a total disaster. It doesn't look awful. It isn't toned yet. Like, I haven't toned, so it's definitely still yellow. But, you know, it could have gone better, that's for sure. I will say, in my defense, that it was very, very early. I had just woken up. And it was a brand new method that I've never tried, so maybe cut me some slack there. Again, I am not a hairstylist. I just enjoy doing my hair at home. Bleaching is always kind of a risk though, so if you're not totally confident in bleaching your hair at home, just go to a stylist. That way you just feel better about it, more secure, and there's less of a risk. I also want to say that before I did my hair, I used a olive oil bath the night before, so I just coated my hair in olive oil, especially the ends, and I slept in it. So that's why my hair looked so greasy in the dyeing section. But I did that just to kind of protect the ends as much as possible from damage. If I can find everything that I used, I will go ahead and link it below, and I'll also tell you on the screen what it is. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy the video. So this is how it turned out. Again, I have not toned yet, so it's definitely yellow, which I'm not worried about that. That's an easy, like, little toning that I do with Manic Panic, which I'll actually link that up here and at the end of the video, so you can see how I toned my hair with no damage whatsoever. Now let's talk about how it really did turn out. So, it's not bad. I don't think I did a horrible job. I don't know if I'll be using the foils again. I just don't think I'm skilled enough, honestly. I think that's something that I would either need a lot of practice or just go to a stylist for. But it's not bad. I will say though, I wanted to be really conservative when I was touching up my roots and putting in the lights, so I really wanted as little overlap as possible with the bleach. I wanted to try not to double process as much hair as possible. What that ended up doing is leaving a bit of a band. So, you can see, oh, I just fell. You can see that banding right there. It looks super yellow. It's not actually this yellow in normal light, but especially on that side, like there's definitely a dark banding. I don't think that that is going to be too hard to get rid of. I plan on using a 10 developer instead of the 20, and a very, very little of a bleach powder in a shampoo and conditioner bath, and just hitting up my roots for like 10 minutes, and I'm pretty sure that'll wipe it right out because I am a natural dark blonde. My hair does lift fairly easily. But I wish I had just gone in a little bit more daring and then I wouldn't have to double process it. But, you know, you live and you learn. Other than that, the products were great. I love the bleach powder that I used. I love the developer. It's always kind of my go-to. And that brush I got was new, and I actually really did like that. I picked up everything at Sally's, but I'm pretty sure everything's available on Amazon as well, so I will link everything that I can find for you. And all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my not so great tutorial. I honestly wouldn't do what I did. The products were great. My application was a little lackluster. But be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Plus, I do a lot of thrifting, I do a lot of styling, and a little bit of decorating. So until next time, bye guys.